Calculating in MS Excel 2010.
Hi Rex, what are you doing? Fiona, my teacher has asked me to make a table showing the marks scored by the students of our class in science, mathematics and English. It is taking me very long to complete this list. Rex, it is quite simple to make a list. You can use Microsoft Excel to make a spreadsheet. Will you show me how to do this? Sure. To make a spreadsheet, click on the Start button. Then, click on All Programs and finally click on Microsoft Excel 2010. The Excel window will open and display a new file. A spreadsheet has rows and columns where you can enter your data. These are row headings and these are column headings. See, this is an active cell. You can enter data only in an active cell. Do I need to click on a cell to type names? Yes, write the marks scored in science, mathematics and English in separate columns. Now should I write the names of the students of my class under the heading Names? Yes, absolutely. I've finished writing the names of all the students. Okay. Now click on the cell where you want to enter the marks. After you have finished typing, press the Enter key. The pointer will move to the cell below the active cell. If you want to move the pointer to the adjacent cell, then press the Tab key. Thanks for making my work so easy, Fiona. You're welcome, Rex.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.